Good morning everyone, this is Dariel. So nandito na naman tayo ngayon sa Urban Decals Ortigas. Meron tayong iningit na client ngayon. Pero anyway, sa video na to, sasagutin natin yung isa sa mga frequently asked questions na nare-receive ko. And isa doon yung kung gaano daw ba katagal bago ma-turn over yung unit. Okay, so meaning to say, kapag nag-reserve na sila and with complete requirements, gaano ba katagal bago ma-turn over sa kanila yung unit? So to answer that question, it will take 1 to 2 months. Okay? So pinakamatagal na siguro yung 3 months, pero bihira yung inaabot ng 3 months. So 1 to 2 months na process. Alright? So I hope you learned something from this video. So that's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye!